Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS in Sydney. It's James and how are you today? In this video we would like to do a quick introduction of the Hino trucks, and this one is the Hino truck 2020 model and 3 on 6. It came with the factory radio and screen, and it has factory reverse camera as well, but currently the factory unit already totally gone. So when we turn the truck on, the unit is not on, and that's the reason that the customer come to us today. And what we are doing to do is we already introduce our system of the 9-inch and the 7-inch for selection, and after quickly seeing the advantage and the difference between the 7-inch and the 9-inch, not about the performance, not about the hardware or firmware or software, because we are talking about the selection of the premium option, which is the same in the 7-inch or 9-inch. But the big advantage from the 9-inch is a huge touch screen, which will be the big one, and you can see that at the end the system will stay somewhere about here, and it will be a huge comparison to compare with the factory unit, and it is far better than in terms of the screen size when communicating with the software and other function. So after a very quick look in between the 7-inch which we have here and the 9-inch that we have, then the customer said, oh, they're very happy with the 9-inch installation. So yep, we will make it done in the trucks very soon, and we're looking to see you in another one soon. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in another one.